Hello everyone and welcome back to another exciting vocabulary video. Today this is our video for week 2 vocabulary, and here are our words: allegiance, frond, aghast, bask, portent, and rampart. So let's go ahead and jump right into the words and figure out what they mean. First off, the word allegiance, you can see by these pictures, allegiance is a noun. It means loyalty of a citizen to his or her government, or of a subject to his or her sovereign. It can also mean loyalty or devotion to some person, group, cause, or the like. Oftentimes in America we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag. That means we promise our loyalty to the country itself. I have pledged allegiance to my wife. I have promised to stay loyal and trustworthy to her. So allegiance means loyalty or trustworthiness to a person, country, or cause. Number 2, the word frond. This is a noun, and it is simply an often large, finely divided leaf, especially as applied to ferns and certain plants. So the interesting thing about a frond is you'll notice it's a leaf that has many leaves on it. So there are many smaller leaves that make up this big giant leaf. I might say, a palm tree in my yard has a giant frond on it. You can also say, I walked through the forest and I saw many fronds on the ground. So frond, a broad-leafed plant, but it has many leaves on it. Next, the word aghast. This is an adjective. It means struck with overwhelming shock or amazement, filled with sudden fright or horror. If you look at these two pictures, the little girl and the cat both seem shocked and amazed. They're suddenly in a fright or a horror. Here's a good sentence. They stood aghast at the sight of the plane crashing. So anytime you are frightened or scared or in shock, you are aghast. Next, the word bask. You can see in this picture, bask means, it's a verb. It's something that you do, and it means to lie in or be exposed to a pleasant warmth. To bask in the sunshine. This woman in the picture here, she is basking in the sunshine. She's looking out over the ocean water, basking and thinking about pleasant things. Number 2 here says to enjoy a pleasant situation. He basked in royal favor. So to bask doesn't just mean you bask outside, but you can bask in a pleasant situation. Like your birthday, you can bask and enjoy your birthday. So bask, to enjoy something. Portent. Portent is a noun, and it is an indication or omen of something about to happen, especially something momentous. So this is like a warning. You can see in this picture here, this is a portent reminder that there are alligators in the area, a warning. Number 2 says a threatening or disquieting significance. It can also mean a prodigy or marvel. So anytime someone is warning you of something, or you see a sign or a symbol of something that is warning, this is a portent. Next, rampart. Based on this image here, you can tell a rampart is some sort of castle or defense. Another important word for it is fortification, a broad elevation or mound of earth raised as a fortification around a place and usually capped with a stone or earth parapet. Anything serving as a bulwark or defense. So any sort of military application would probably have a rampart around it. If you want to defend yourself against your little brother being annoying, you might stick out your arm as a rampart or close the door as a rampart. Something to defend yourself against others. Okay, so that is our 6 words for this week: allegiance, frond, aghast, bask, portent, and rampart. On this page I've also included a great paragraph that uses all 6 words well, so please stay here for a while, review your words, and thanks again for joining me. Bye!